We were told the future is ours. We have grown, still searching for that very future. Now I suspect our parents were told the same too, like passing down consoling cliches from generation to generation. But let me tell you of the antiquity of Pumpum Bogene, of heroes. We were born to each spread our wings like the cocoyam leaves and reach for our own stars like the eagle. Ugobuzuo Ochake. Here you find warrior kings and queens. Here you find heroes who dig out the strength buried in their souls when they fall down. Our sweat is the evidence of our sagacity. Mberede nyiri dike, mberede ka eji ama dike. Mmiri ezola sachapụ ihe akọrọ n'ubi. Anwụ achala chanwụcha akwụkwọ nri. Mmiri na anwụ enwe mmekọ. Ọ bụrụ ihe dịka mmiri dịtụkwa ka anwụ ala wee gbaruo iruo. Mana dike turugo. Never let go of who you are. Never forget your true identity. Rise like a hero.